Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Story Plus channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to our video.
Today, we learn easy and fun English. I'm Anna.
Hi Anna, I'm Michael.
How are you today, Michael?
I'm good, thank you. And you, Anna?
I feel good today.
That's nice to hear. Is it a busy day for you?
Not very busy. I have some free time.
That's good. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from America. I live in New York.
New York is very big. Do you like living there?
Yes, I like it. It's busy but exciting.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm happy to be here.
What do you like about this place?
I like the people. They are very friendly.
I think so too. People are very kind.
What do you do, Anna? Do you work or study?
I work. I'm an English teacher.
That's great. How long have you been a teacher?
For 5 years. I really like teaching.
Why do you like teaching?
I like helping people. I like meeting new students.
That's nice. I want to improve my English.
That's very good. Why do you want to learn English?
I need it for my job. I also like traveling.
Do you study English every day?
Not every day, but I study a little.
How do you practice English?
I watch YouTube videos. I listen to English music.
That's a good way. Do you speak English with friends?
Sometimes I do. I try not to be shy.
That's important. Making mistakes is okay.
Yes, I know. What do you do in your free time?
I read books. I watch movies at home.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies. They are fun.
I like comedy movies too. They make me laugh.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I like new places.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit Italy. The food looks great.
Italy is very nice. What is your favorite food?
I like kebab and pasta. What about you?
I like pizza. It's my favorite food.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. I like simple food.
I cook sometimes too, but I'm not very good. What do you do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends. What about you?
I drink coffee and walk. I like quiet weekends.
Do you like mornings or evenings?
I like mornings more. I feel fresh in the morning.
Me too. Mornings are quiet and calm.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, sometimes. Soft music helps me relax.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It is easy to listen to.
I like pop music too. Sometimes I listen to jazz.
Jazz is nice. It's very relaxing.
Do you watch TV every day?
Not every day, only in the evening.
What do you watch?
I watch series and news. They help me learn new things.
I watch videos online. They are fun and useful.
That's true. The internet is very helpful.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, a little. Mostly for messages.
Same here. I also check emails.
Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Yes. I will work in the morning.
What will you do in the afternoon?
I will rest at home. Then I will study English.
That sounds good. Balance is important.
Yes, I think so. Rest and study are both important.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. I read in the evening.
What kind of books do you read?
I read simple English books.
Do you read every day?
Not every day. I read 3 times a week.
Does reading help your English?
Yes, it helps a lot. I learn new words.
It was really nice talking.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
See you again.
Wait a minute, Anna, you forgot something.
Oops, we forgot our listeners. How do you practice English every day?
Write your answer in the comments, please.
Please like and subscribe for new videos.
See you in our next video.